Hey guys, welcome to my channel Chic the Style. For this video I'm gonna style skater skirt into many different ways, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so for the first look I'm wearing this skater skirt with this oversized neon t-shirt, and yeah, that's all about it. So I tucked in the side of the t-shirt, so it is like both oversized and gives little waist definition to me, and yeah, that's it. I'm wearing these gold cross earrings, and yeah, I have a look. For the next outfit, I'm wearing this white shirt tucked in my skater skirt, and that's all about it. I didn't play around anything with this outfit, but I really like how this look is very classy and schoolgirl preppy school vibe that this outfit gives. I really like that, and yeah, that's it. And for the next outfit I just layered this knitted top over the same outfit, and I pulled out the shirt that was tucked in. Yeah, that's all about it. So this is how it looks. I really like how this look is very Pinteresty. I mean, you can find this kind of look over Pinterest here and there. For the next outfit I'm wearing this roughly white shirt, and I added this belt, and yeah, that's all about it. I really like how this look turned out. This used to be my college go-to look. I really miss my college. I hope we all could go to college soon, and that's all about it. I really like how this look turned out. I mean, it is both, classy, edgy, and preppy at the same time. For the next outfit, I just layered the shirt with this cardigan. I mean, cardigans are very in right now. They are in trend, officially in trend. So you can wear your summer outfits like this in winters as well. You can add tights if you think you will be cold from your legs, and that's it. I really like how this look turned. I think this is my favorite outfit because I really like this cardigan, and I am a very preppy kind of girl. I mean, I like that preppy school vibe that these outfit gives, and yeah, that's it. And for the next outfit I'm wearing this bodysuit with this skater skirt and same ankle boots and same earrings, everything same, and yeah, so bodysuits looks very nice with skater skirts or skirts of that matter, and yeah, that's it. I really like how this look is very simple and chic at the same time. For the next outfit I'm wearing this crop t-shirt with this skater skirt, and same, everything is same, and yeah, that's all about it. You can also add bum bag or shoulder bag to the outfit to give it that edgy look. I think bum bag will look very nice with this outfit because it is giving little sporty vibes, and yeah, you can pair the whole outfit with sneakers as well, but I'm not a sneaker person, so I'm wearing it with boots, and I really like how boots and that short skater skirt tie in the look. For the next outfit, I have just layered this crop top over the t-shirt, and yeah, that's it. So you can literally make your outfit look little different by layering it. So always, have that staple strappy or tiny tops to layer over your crop tops or tops in general. And yeah, so that's it. For the next outfit, I am wearing this denim shirt and I tied the whole thing like this, and yeah, that's it. If you are a Friends fan, you will know that this outfit is inspired from Rachel Green's outfit. I think that episode was the one with Ross's girlfriend. I don't remember exactly, but I think that around that season, when there was a Chinese girlfriend, remember? Okay, let's not talk about Friends anymore. And yeah, I really like how for the next outfit I'm wearing this velvet crop top, not crop top, it is bralette, and I layered it with cardigan like so, not like in a traditional way. I mean, you can see what I did. And yeah, you can also wear cardigan one sleeve up and one sleeve down with the same outfit. And similarly, you can also button one button of the cardigan, look it like that. And yeah, that's it. Also guys, follow me on Instagram at @CheekTheStyle. I post a lot of fashion stuff there. And subscribe to my channel and hit the like buttons, comment and everything. It takes a lot in a person to make a YouTube channel. It is a lot of efforts. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram at @CheekTheStyle. Bye.